Hello friend, now I show you the advanced ventilator. You see screen. Remove freely. Here. Here is expression. Here is expression. Here is lock. And this remove trolley easily. Humidifier, secret, arm, the lungs. Let's check back. You see, this is the oxygen air VGA connector, USB for upgrade use, power cable, fans, switch. Now we see the screen. First, see here. Here is you see this function. Return to standby mode here. Conceal. This is silence. This freeze. This is immobilizer time. This is oxygen, 100% oxygen. This is lock. Let's check here. Mode. This machine here 11 modes. Like you see, volume, pressure, and by level, RVC. This is like this is advanced mode. Like this, this two is in no invasive mode. It's monitoring waveform graph, parameter, alarm, system, expression hold, this setting area, this monitor area. This waveform. Totally it can have five waveform. If you optional SPO2 and HCO2, it will 7 waveform totally. Okay, now we return to standby. You see, here is the memory. It can memory the last patient, the new patient, adult pediatric. Here optional units. Check. Start the ventilator, it will work. Okay, finish. Thank you.